Today our topic is absolute error, relative error and percentage error. Let us consider we are doing some measurement. We are measuring the time for a particular event and our measured values are coming out to be, our first reading is 5.4 second. For the same activity we are measuring time again, that comes out to be 5.6 second. Third reading for the same 5.2 second and fourth reading is 5.4 second. You please focus there only where I am speaking or the point which I am telling you. We have done a certain measurement. We have measured time for certain event and that event is repeating, means time we are measuring again and again for the same process to happen. So our first reading is coming out to be 5.4 second, second reading is 5.6 second, next reading is 5.2 second and next is 5.4 second. Now which one is accurate? Which one is inaccurate? We don't know. We don't have any idea. And we know that there are so many sources of error when we are doing measurement and these sources can lead to error in our measurement. So we will calculate in this topic absolute error, relative error and percentage error. How to calculate absolute error? For this various steps we are going to consider. First we know the various readings which are with us. Then using these readings we will go for the mean value or true value. Because error we have done, error is difference between true value and measured value. Or error is the difference of measured value and true value. So how to find a true value or mean value? Mean value, true value, average value means you will add all the readings and you will divide by the number of readings which you have taken. So here I have written true value or mean value. So to find true value or mean value, what you will do? You will add all the readings. How many readings do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will add and you will divide by the same number of readings. So when you will solve it, it will come out to be 5.4 second. So for these readings, mean value comes out to be 5.4 second. This we are going to represent by A mean. And formula if you will consider, then it will be A mean will be equal to sum of all the readings divided by 4. If you have n observations and measurement and readings, then A mean will be equal to summation AI divided by n, where I is going to vary from 1 to n. This is a mean value. From mean value, how to find error? So error we are going to consider. Error is we are representing by delta A1, which is showing the difference. Difference of what? Difference of your measured value and the mean value. Here for first reading, this is the measured value and this is going to be the mean value. So error in this measurement, what can be the error in this measurement? We will have difference of these two. So error in first measurement is 5.4 minus 5.4 is 0 second. So delta A1 comes out to be 0 second. Error in second measurement will be 5.6 minus 5.4. This will be 0.2 second. Error in third measurement 5.2 minus 5.4. It comes out to be negative minus 0.2 second. And what is error in fourth measurement? Difference of these two, it comes out to be 0 second. So your error can be positive, your error can be negative. Probability of doing positive error and negative error equal. Next step is we will find mean absolute error. So before mean absolute error, we will go for absolute error. Till now we have done, we have 4 measured value for a particular process to be over. This is time period for first reading, second reading, third reading and fourth reading. From these 4 values, we are going to find the mean value or true value. How to find mean value or true value? Add all and divided by the number of readings which you have considered. So addition, division by 4, this will give you 5.4 seconds. So this is giving mean value of all these readings, average value or true value. Then we have to calculate error. What is the error in this measurement? So error will be difference of measured value and true value. So difference of these two will give you error in first measurement, difference of these two, error in second measurement, similarly error in third measurement and error in fourth measurement. Then we will go for absolute error. What is absolute error? When we will consider only magnitude of error, then we will consider it to be absolute error. Magnitude of this difference, when I will consider magnitude of this difference, so it will be always positive. Your error can be negative, positive, but your absolute error will be always positive. And with this bar we will represent absolute error. So this is absolute error in first measurement, this is absolute error in second measurement, this is absolute error in third. See here negative sign is there, but here we have to consider magnitude only, so negative we will not consider, 0.2 second only. And this is absolute error in fourth measurement. Next step is to find mean absolute error. Mean absolute error means whatever absolute error you have to find its average or mean. So delta A mean will be sum of all these values divided by as many readings you have. So delta A1 bar plus delta A2 bar plus delta A3 bar plus delta A4 bar, we are dividing it by 4. So our answer is coming out to be 0.1 second. And in generalized form, its formula will be delta A mean is equal to summation delta AI bar divided by n, where I varies from 1 to n. Actually, we are going to have numericals to solve. Reading will be given, then it can be asked find mean value, find error, find absolute error, find mean absolute error, find relative error, find percentage error. So in tabular form, I have solved this for you. So mean absolute error is coming out to be 0.1 second. Then it is asked relative error. Relative error means in this measurement how much error we have done, 0.1 second. So relative error will be mean absolute error delta A mean. Here bar no need because it is positive. Delta A mean divided by A mean. So ratio of this and this will give you value of relative error. So relative error will be delta A mean divided by A mean. So this is 0.1 second divided by 5.4 second. This will come. If percentage error is asked, then percentage error will be relative error multiplied by 100%. So you will have 0.018 multiplied by 100%. This will be the result coming. If in the question it is asked, give the result with absolute error, then this was your mean value. What is absolute error? Absolute error was coming in, mean absolute error was coming out to be 0.1 second. Now this error you can do in positive side also, this error you can do in negative side also. Means you can measure time, if for next measurement your time can be 5.5, it can be 5.3. Most probable condition will be this. So result in terms of absolute error will be 5.4 plus minus 0.1 second, and result in terms of percentage error will be 5.4 plus minus 1.85%. Again repeating, set of values given to you. Using these sets you have to find mean value, error, absolute error, mean absolute error, relative error, percentage error. To find mean, formula is you will add all the readings and you will divide by the number of readings. This is in generalized form. To find error, you will find the difference of measured value with mean value. So this will be difference of measured value with mean value. This difference we are representing by delta A1. So this is representing error in first measurement. This error can be positive, it can be with negative sign as well. Next we have to find absolute error. Absolute error means whatever your error was there, you will consider only its magnitude. So in magnitude of difference, negative sign will not come, only positive sign will come. Then you have to find mean absolute error. Mean absolute error means you will add all and divide by the number of readings that you have considered. So here answer is coming 0.1 second. Relative error. Relative error means ratio of mean absolute error divided by mean value. So it will be 0.1 second divided by 5.4 second. And if you have to find percentage error, then percentage error, what you will do? You will consider it to be 0.1 divided by 5.4 into 100%. So like this you can solve the question. And this result you can give in terms of absolute error, mean value plus minus absolute error that you have done, mean absolute error. Percentage error will be mean value plus minus percentage error.